With people, people love speculate, you know.
Yeah, PNP matter.
But we know,
Me know,
but
man.
I want to,
Me know, sir. PNP them
you see
attack.
all of us are there, so I want to take note, you know, and see the individual that is doing that and notice film spectrum, you know. The individual will do that and want to know where everybody live and want to know everybody name. Nobody, him quiet, you know. Him not make nobody know who him is, you know. Notice that, you know.
My idiot. My idiot, man.
Alright,
My idiot, man. My idiot.
Alright,
If you notice, when him a drive, you know, in a piece of old car, you can, alright, you hear me a drive, you hear me car shake up like a old truck. Eh?
Yeah, let me go outside. Yeah, let me show you. I said that. Him always try for one know where he live. Him cuss everybody like a girl. Him trace and him carry on, but yet still, him don't show him face. You understand? I want you to take note of that, you know. Him not show him face.
Oh, the money don't share. Delores, I say, because the money don't share.
There's this girl always come on a live. One girl from outer east. You know what I mean? And you know that guy want like him either live either Craigtown or one of them place there. I saw him behave like, you know, him know Tivoli, him know Jungle, him know Rima, him, you know. I saw him behave.
Alright, let me show you. You know empty ball make the most nice. Make him talk. Cause all him do him only tell people send up. You know, send up on them mother. Hey, and I hear me say something, but I just laugh. Cause I'm too me know me bigger than that. He must say, boy, people afraid of him. And what them afraid of him? Just listen to him and talk. I might think different from him. Me not go tell nobody about under them mother, but me know if me see him in front of my face, he will lose him two front teeth them. And he can't do nothing about it. Nothing he can do about it. So, it doesn't matter for like.
People know him, you know, because people have him picture.
Well, of course.
Petal them and Philippine and them and the whole of them have him picture, you know.
Of course.
So I don't go on like say, if people don't know him, everybody know him.
I don't know.
I him will look like that when they show Sal on Bullfrog.
No, on
a different level.
You understand? Them not take politics for politics and talk and this and that.
Yeah.
Yeah, attention.
Look at attention, man. That's simple. That. He just love to talk. Yap up his mouth and talk and tell people this and tell people that. And claim, say, man, if you bother people, but people know who you is, instead of you try to find out. And him take everything. Me see the little girl, she name again, she a walk in her yard and like she a cussing to, you know, but she a woman, so more likely you can expect that from her, no problem. And she a said, do this now, walk in my yard, in your yard.
Munchie.
Take it up and start cuss the bee and go on and I say, listen to this big man, listen to this man. This man really coming like,
yeah, me see that.
Yeah, Munchie, I say, caution, look here, me all walk barefoot in a yard. Look here, me walk in a yard.
Munchie call.
Yeah.
And them have cuss about it.
Yeah, turn out the yard for walk, you know.
Them man, they really not love woman, you know. You know, so them man, they really not love woman.
Jesus.
Attention seeker that, man. Cuss and talk, boy.
Yo, before me get to talk to you, Richards, him is totally different from them. You, Richards, a politician. Him know if talk, him know if him say I'm a politician and him a different party. And him no afraid to say yes or no beat me upon this.
You see him now? Me tell him plain and straight, so me no want to hear nothing from him now. Cause me listen to people talking. I'm a man me train to use me. I'm a, you know what him tell me? You know me hear him say straight up. Him say anything necessary. Me tell lie, him do anything. And for me hear him say, so it don't make no sense me talk to you then.
Yeah man, the man say we tell. Yeah, man, he said what the man, when I tell him open discussion, I say, you see, I want discussion, I say, one thing, you know, when talk again. And I say, me not repeat myself, me not. Home discussion say, me a dunce man, so that's why I ask you to repeat again. You see me listen to me 2 years, you know, because you see, you tell me, say me a dunce. When me ask him which schooling go, and he say, He never got to high school because high school did full up. Open discussion and said, no. You're wrong. You're wrong.
Yeah.
Don't be wrong. The man said them the time there. And shift school did I run a Spanish town. Said open discussion and tell you, say, you see your mother and your father will send you to all at school. Bless them. yo,
Yes.
man, tell you, brother.
Shame like dog.
Me
You
like
hear
this
him
when
say,
hey,
I only chop and him can reason that JLP.
I want to
Yeah.
just
So
open
me not
discussion
talk
and
with him.
call. You say you and call Louis, you say anywhere me soon, no, me will join, no, because I want to get about it. You know, full of argument, you know.
No, you
All-
see Carl
yo,
Lewis now.
you see all Dark Knight and yo, him and them, let me tell you this one.
No, you
Them
see
can't,
Carl Lewis. Carl Lewis, we agree with them foolishness. Open discussion, nah,
discussion,
agree
nah,
with them.
agree.
Me hear
Open
open discussion over there, beat them one day, beat them. You know what then do? Take him out of the box and one girl
Take him
come
out
there
that box.
and heat up herself for. Yeah,
After
man.
open discussion.
You know, say, the last time, you Richard meet with Free Virginia. With Chap.
Now what
You
day,
know,
man, yesterday? Yesterday, the whole day.
no, I know I read that day.
Yesterday, man. No, yesterday, the whole day, man. Day before yesterday. Cause
Yeah.
two me out in the morning. Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Friday.
Yeah, that day. We know said you Richard don't like that meet there because you Richard always do. You talk you word them fast, talk him say fast, and then but you chap them one day. Chap make him have to turn, have to wait and tell him answer that the one day. Him pushing all 3-4 question one time, and then no, the third one no. That the one then wait pan fit chap answer. Chap say no man, come back to that the one day. No man, that one man, no man, come back. So when chap, me like how chap hang him there, yeah. Like how chap him there.
Nah, misbehave up a chap them, man. Trust me, nah, misbehave.
Oh, what day when Chap come from Miller? Oh.
After that chap did go live.
It was chap live.
Okay.
It was
Because
chap live.
Miller TV did not go cut off because he say phone at an in battery how much percent. So after that,
Oh,
me
Chap's
texting
go
a
live
chap.
after that. Okay.
Yeah, me texting a chap and tell chap say Miller TV are dead. So you go live and bring it over your place. And when by 2 minutes, me see chap go live.
Okay.
The man PSX my use in something there, you know.
Yeah, man, him say him train for debate.
Debate, debate.
PMP train them.
PSX my use.
Is it?
Use it.
So how Jamaica live just come off of your and I said me request for live video. The man there a whole night asleep and now he wake up. Man there a whole night asleep.
Go and block you.
Jen come on the place is cool. Place cool.
The place are cold plans.
Yeah, man, the place cool, man.
You know. How we fire the Florida?
Oh me?
Yeah.
No, sir.
I'm thinking
Pennsylvania,
further.
never.
Talk about place cool.
Pennsylvania, we don't film me there.
Oh, okay.
They're still living in bondage because the People's
Brownstone
National Criminal
Community.
Organization
It's down here, then I tell you, you know, intended to
continue to live in bondage all of these years. They have not made any strides. When you look at Matilda constituency, see, when you look at Manchester, no, it's in Manchester,
Dojan. Oh.
places like.
So when I go over there.
When you look at places like certain.
Well, wait till you're done, man. I want to be like it.
Then how we attack and y'all listen to him.
Then me no depend, me no use my next device, brother. Me no free to do what I want to do, brother.
Well.
Look how long in I chat people that text and tell us they do that lie. I mean I say nothing to you.
You know, me no,
Eh?
no, but you know, me no see that text though.
About 12 times it come in your chat.
Hey.
Yeah. I mean next device me go on.
You know, free man. Yeah, I remember
Okay.
me say if you go over there, you know, and you say no, yeah,
No, but
waiting
you me know
name.
so you're hey, I whole night you run the street tips.
Of course
Whole
I
night.
will night. Of course I will night me run.
A long time you no come out in no plank.
Me know man, cause me a human them a ball theme from over there.
Yeah,
I
man.
say boy.
God no.
Yeah
God
man, human
no.
them a ball. Yeah man, human they like contact they nastiness for your platform, man.
And me send request to from an original woman them and they not pay me no mind.
No, you
And
must
Then
sleep,
them
man. You
come,
know,
then
expect you
come,
tonight.
them a sleep man, cause I want to tell us say Mama Joy, I send me the whole night. Me about 40 messages from Mama Joy. You
blur
can't see them.
not.
Cause one night time I go up on the For You page and I come tired cause me woman, hey, let me tell you something. You see them politics business here, we make your woman left you, you know. You don't laugh and think a joke, man. You know how long me not sit down on phone with my woman till me drop asleep.
Oh
We do that last night.
I
Politics
only
can't have
hope
me
you don't
know.
make your man give your money no plug.
You know, plank.
No man, we're general man. So
Politics
man,
can't,
we're not talking
politics,
to idiot man.
politics can't have me know.
When
Yo,
you gamble and I lose.
Have me know.
yeah, I'm gambling. We make you lose your woman, man.
Yes.
Hey, me see me go to Jamaica, you know, and me there one gambling table, you know. And you know how me make my a poker biz, a poker man, you know. But me just hang out with my friends them. Me not really go the big way. And me did it, you know. And me say for me go up on the table, me I win, you know. And every game me win, me give me woman the money. I saw woman turn up with me, you know. When me go, me say woman cost me like a dog head, you know. You
So
fi
if you
tap
don't
there,
give
sit
her
there.
the money, it would
Me
have
give her the
rest.
money, but she still a cost me. I
I
tell
see
me
what
If
say,
you
I
don't give her the money, it would have still rest.
man, me
Sir?
say me win about 30,000 and I woman me give, and the woman still a cost me.
Yes, because human will say, I know every night check out there.
No, here I go on. Every time me win and me see say money reach all over 15 and 20,000, me tell you if you buy a round. So it cost. Yeah.
Oh, you spend half back your money.
Right. Me I spend back the money with my brethren them where me I win it from. So
Yes,
shit cost.
yes.
And you know, me just stop gambling. Yeah man. Brother, I just say come on. Me say man, me dep on this day and night. And when my woman call me, we jump off and say, yo, me I listen to my politics. Me soon call you back. Yo, never sit there and keep you up. That even make you
Actually,
want
man.
chat to your woman because you're
But
interested in a war go on in
So
your
you know
country.
why?
Oh, you think I joke? Man, me can tell you no, brother. Me
one
say,
of the thing
me,
is, with the politics thing, it make you learn a lot, though.
sweet tips, mute him on the man.
Yeah, that may I try with it.
One day out of a week, persons on the corner would get a job to do. I clean street or something of the sort. And then they say they reduce poverty that way. Today, we have an Andrew Holness led government that is getting BPOs. I mean, know a lot of people like to say, yo, BPO not pay no money. Some money is better than no money at all. The last time I checked. See? And there's a lot of persons, there's a lot of BPOs that is making money and they're living good. See? So, we see more hotels. We see a new hotel come on board, come on stream the other day that is set to employ 3,000 persons down there in Hanover, you know, on the border of Hanover and Westmoreland. You know, that is 3,000 Jamaicans that will be employed, 3,000 and more, you know, because behind that 3,000 employee, there's a supply chain, food, you know, farming, logistics, all kind, maintenance, you know, clean, all kind of work is behind that. You know, that is a economy in itself.
I will see the government continue to make great strides in bringing in tourists, you know, and economic prosperity, kind of management. You understand, where they go abroad and they ask countries. This morning me see like them they are Portugal this morning, and there's a direct flight from Portugal now to Jamaica. See? So now we got Spanish tourists to come in. So in that supply chain, you know, the plane is coming to Jamaica. Now you'll need Jamaicans to service that plane, to work the gate, you know, to clear the baggage, you know. We probably don't need more immigration because we have the e-gate them now. But, you know, it's a whole logistics behind. So a whole heap of economic planning is going on in Jamaica. See? Sorry, Portuguese, not Spanish. See? So, yeah, loads of stuff going on in Jamaica, guys. I don't want to get mixed up because I want to go back to the topic, but I could remember when I talked about a while ago. So I say, you won't feel the prosperity in Jamaica if you sit down and continue to sit down on the corner and think, say, boy, somebody just go pass and give you $1 million. I gotta pray to God and get a Toyota Axio. I gotta pray to God and God give you a house. See? The white people then don't tell you already. And them write the Bible and them tell you. Say God only help who help themselves. See? So while you pray to God, you have to get up and go do something. See? It is simple as that. Yes, Father Punkus, morning.
Morning, my general. You know, so I'm glad you're upon him topic and explain certain things. Because, you know, say, made up on a live or influencer Wednesday night, I think. And young girl, you know. So, all for young people up on our page. And this guy named Trav live in America. And the man does a beat down, just observe, and the people that go with him. You know, people come with the negative thing. I said, a job no did not go on, and you know, a bag of people start commenting, and the man even say, like, us Kingston and St. Andrew alone are developed, and the rural part of Jamaica not developed. So the man said that jump in the box. And I start debunk everything and give him actual evidence. It's when me said to him, say, after about 15 minutes going back and forth, I said, tell me one thing where you like about Jamaica where I go and good for Jamaica. Him say, from his standpoint, him not say nothing. So I say, alright, let me show you one thing. I say, right now we are at about 60% debt to GDP. See? And in just glass over that and move. So I say, is it because you glass over that? It show me say you're just a talker. It show me say you're just a person who's anti the Jamaica Labour Party. And you don't know what is really happening in Jamaica. So I say to him, say, you understand when I said 60% debt to GDP? Him say no. So I say, that is why you thought that way there. So when you look on the highway, we go talk about the technical stuff. We look at the highway. We are below the highway infrastructure. That are Jamaicans that work on that, you know. Now, there's some aspects of the highway where people don't understand. Say, and China do again, you know. Is it the blasting? The Chinese expert thought a Jamaican guy, I can't remember his name, to do the blasting, the dynamite, right? Him now teach other people. The highway now export this guy talent to other Caribbean islands and other Latin American places for the blasting for them. These are some of the things that are happening now. Because we never used to provide, apart from the military used to do it one time, you know. People don't know that, you know. It's just the military used to do it. Now we have civilians trained in that technical area. I say to them, say, you know, so we have a dry dock in Jamaica where we maintain and repair ships and stuff like that. They never know. So we start bringing new information to this younger demographic, under 25 demographic, right? And people, there are a lot of things them don't know, right? So if you have a new airport, a bill, if you have a new highway, a bill, right? That means you need electricians, plumbers. There's so much jobs that open up. And people also say, what? Nothing not going. If nothing not going, are you sit down one place like a stone, I make nothing go on for you.
Punkos, me say something to what's your name? I know Paulette Sterling. Paulette say hospitals need bed. And this is one of the misconceptions and one of the lies that people are telling. Paulette, every single hospital in Jamaica have bed. What we run out of in the hospital is bed space. As in space to put more bed because most people live some unhealthy lifestyle and end up in hospital. So we don't short bed. We short bed space. And the only way to fix the problem that bed space for it is to build new hospitals like it's being done now. 4 of them. So in the PMP solution of the bed problem, them say to buy more bed. But Paulette, consider this for yourself, please. If we buy more bed, where do we put them? Are we gonna put it in the one short bed? Are we gonna put them outside? That is not a solution. All the solution to the hospital bedding issue is to build new hospital because Jamaica has outgrown those hospitals that was constructed from in the 60s.
Well, it's one of them things that we can put bunk bed in a hospital.
How would them want bunk bed put in a hospital? It's not bed we shot for it. And we want people to start think about them something, yeah.
Paulette says she come to Jamaica and she say people want house to live. So nobody know want house to live in Canada, England, America, all of them places. Only Jamaica alone.
People will all live in house. People will all live in house.
Chuck, hold on, Chuck. Let me address Paulette. Last year, me and my wife met with the CEO for St. Anne's Hospital, right? And we said to him, say, what are some of the issues that you're having? Right? And him say, wait, let me tell you something first. There's a misnomer that Jamaican hospital don't have beds. It's a misnomer that we don't have sheets. It's a misnomer that we don't have medication. Him say, them thing there, a simple thing for the hospital. Hospital don't need the help, not them thing there. Them budget, cover them something there. As I said, space. Him say the things where them need is diagnostic machines. Things where they are easily accessible. Right? The things what them need. And him say, when you look on sometime, some of the machine them, you look on upward of 10, 15 million US dollars for some of the machine. You understand me? But when you look on the frequent things what them need, you take up $15 million to buy one machine, but you have other infrastructural problems and other staffing problems, other problems. It can be difficult to split between to spend a $50 million US dollar to do A, you understand? Although you need the machine, you know. You understand me? But like 10 or 15 other things that will get neglected with a $15 million US dollar there would have take care of. You understand me? So it's a budgetary problem.
In the last budget, in the last budget, the government spent $1.7 billion to buy equipment, all dialysis machine, CT scan machine, all of these things they are buying them bit by bit. You understand? So,
but people don't understand is that, as a Chuck say, we have a lifestyle issue in Jamaica where with diet consists of heavy carbohydrates, heavy cholesterol, right, and stuff like that. So we have a whole lot of
cigarette.
Yeah, so we have a whole lot of lifestyle issues where people are cause themselves to get sick. You understand me? Just based on the food that them eat and how them live them lifestyle. You have way more people under 35 have diabetes now. You understand me? So when you have 3 or 4 dialysis machines in a one hospital, right? And you have 200 diabetic patients, the 3 machines are going to overwork and break down. No, the service in the past have to be imported. That's the problem. It's not like so we not have machines or we not acquire machine, but we can't have a room full of 100 dialysis machines.
Exactly.
You understand that?
And it goes to show you, Friday night, I was in a conversation with another man who said, can't have no instructor. I mean, I said, Bridget, you can't say they don't have none. And at the same thing, them broadcast everything. You got hospital and them probably all of the bed them full. Hospital don't have no bed. Right? You go down there, the machine them are use, them don't have no machine. Right? Those are the narrative where them are try paint to try make the country look bad. For the first time in our history, Jamaica, when them buy the new machine, them actually buy them
service contract. And I can say this for sure. Under the PMP government, you buy one brand new CT scan or you get one donated. 2 years later, I stop work and you have nobody to fix it. And you can't afford to bring the man overseas to go fix it. So you throw it down in a room. Think of it this way. Look at the what name, the Shaggy Foundation. How much machine Shaggy them buy? And a year after them buy, then they no good because them not no service contract with them. Right? Jamaica today is changing the way how we do business as a country.
And we under good stewardship. Great management Jamaica find itself with now. As opposed to yesterday.
Steady hands, as the PM would say.
Yeah. Not sticky hands, like big ugly crab back here and heel. We don't there talk about we are build prison. And him who want lock up in it.
I you know, say you say something this morning, you know, John, when you say that PG and his friend send one white man, he can convince the weak. If all of us remember growing up in a Jamaica where they used to tell we say nothing black not too good enough. Mm-hmm. Then you used to indoctrinate that in our mind, say if you're black you're not too good. Right? And as we know, say one thing with PMP, them good at the psychology of life. That is why now then too, so make we send one white man and we hold the chance now. Make we say the black, anti-black indoctrination work. I hate them.
Cause me hear them attack like they feel like they can sneak in like Trump, you know. But they not talking about Jamaica.
Yeah. But as we say, them don't understand say Trump victory is not a victory for them. We still have some old people strong at the US Congress, remember. And Siaga was referring to Siaga party we are support.
Exactly.
Not to mention, and the PMP is still seen as anti-business party, and that is important for people to understand. When the anti-business party, the party will run out the business people out of Jamaica in the 70s, and we crush the business class in the 90s. When them come back in a power, I think I go up. And it was a chief crusher business in the 90s, the financial engineer, him in charge now. What do you think I go happen?
Now getting dirty for them. If you want big black rhino jump 1,000 gallon one.
Right. Yeah, well,
in parts for our country, better lift up.
In parts for our country. My God, we you're 100% correct. Right, if you spend $1 billion and buy all of the bed where they want. And because the PMP solution, them never make sense yet. Right, buy some bed. Always want to put band-aid over wood. Patch the road. Because that's a phone solution. Just patch the road. Just buy 2 bed man and go take one photo up. The people them want house, but me buy one door and go take one picture. Them want house, but me go lay 2 block. Me never buy no cement. A photo app. That's what I use.
Me say Mr. Ian Hill get film own grader and get mall a film from film own hardware. Tap on the road, go drop a grain jill. And then I talk about him can barber green in and no money. Since if you get your own grader and your own mall from your own hardware, it don't cost nothing. So why you can't pay for your barber green then? Eh?
Because you don't get Ian Hill don't get nobody who are selling it to in government. Oh, the thing they give you nothing free.
And he not supposed to drop nothing on Moreland Road. That's illegal. He's not the MP. See?
And when they in a power, when they in a power, they don't fix road. Yeah, it is.
I see a post a couple weeks ago, man, with 2 roads in front of all constituency. 15 years in the day, and you know, look on the road them.
I look for them, but I know we want. But listen, remember, the lady from Angela Brownborough constituency tell you, say, in a them own constituency, the place where Portia run for 40 years. The day before election, they drop more down there to fix the road. And when they lose election, they're going to take it up back. That is a constituency where vote PMP for 40 years, non-stop. We have some of the highest voter turnout in a Jamaica history. And you do that.
But you know, want come up. She don't want come up. She's scared. Wallet, nobody now near me now. We are decent people. You see me I say?
The pilot, you come and create some pilot. You see, Dujan, anytime you see them coming at the chat, and them a type out of foolishness and you invite them and they don't want to come, it's because we know the person, and when they come up, we are going to know them voice.
Real.
It's probably even you, Richard, or Gary Moses, one of them when we chat to regular. Anytime they be at the type and they don't want to come up, is one of them.
You know, I'm not hurrying to go and Sydney because they can't read.
No, I don't know. What's the type in the Sydney and Paul? Yeah, man, we can't rest that show. Cole can't read and write. Unless somebody did that type in.
You know? Gary can't read either, you know. When Gary read below. Every day I listen, I drive. This every daily crash. Every year Gary start reading with the top laughs until water.
Oh, that is over Katie. I remember that the over Katie. I remember that the over Katie. But listen to me, the people them have to learn that not because you go down at the hospital and one receptionist probably was having a bad day and rude to you. I know the government are rude to you, the government not down there. The passes in CXC not high this year. We never see Andrew Holness nor Favor Williams in a classroom I teach. Everything happening at this country. If you drive and chop in a one patrol where you know send it every day and you know it in the boy speed and chop in a government part. No. Jamaica lack no response.
They already chop and I'm gonna say it again. You see, the Jamaican parents of yesteryear were better parents, even though they did more violent, but they were better parents. I tell you, because when I grew up, I come in from school at evening time. I will present my book to either my father or my stepmother. You then see what I'm going with today. See? And whatever homework or project me have to do, I have to get it done before bedtime 9 o'clock.
Get moving.
I have to clean my shoes, put it one side, put my fresh pair of socks in there, pack my bag, take out my textbook them what I need for tomorrow. Pack them up in there, put on my bag one side. Press my uniform and hang up, put it one side. Yeah, brush my teeth. So I say after my dinner and go on my bed. TV turn off by 9 o'clock. We are disciplined. Understand? And we are look over.
In our conversation yesterday with Lashik, I was telling them that back in them days when we never had no cell phone, our landline was limited. When I do something at school, by the time school fell let over and me reach home, whatever I did at school, I reach home before me.
Exactly.
Right? What may I say is that communication between teacher and parents was better back then, and we never have no device. We never have no device, and the communication was much better. Right? I said this, that I remember one year, September morning, I get me the school supply, and I remember I had a green sharpener, never forget one, green sharpener. And I at school the day, and I saw a green sharpener and this, and I thought it was mine. I took it up, put it in my bag. When I go home the evening, my mother checked my bag and find 2 green sharpener in there. And it's a beat me get, because I keep somebody sharpener. It was a genuine mistake, but me come home with something I never have. Like, not exist anymore. People may think say, oh, them did violence. They made them did violence, but they kept you in check. Right? Nowadays, no matter what you do,
There is violence, and then there's discipline. You can distinguish between. For example, my stepmother was disciplined. My mother was violent.
All right.
So there's a difference. You have some parents with butter blood pitney that are violent.
That are violence. But there was discipline, man. Right? The idea say when you're there on road, you have to be careful what you do because, as I say, you can't be in front of adults. There was certain rule, there was a guideline, there was a transition period between boy and man. Right? You can't, you want to go butt in a conversation, you have to wait until them acknowledge you.
Mm-hmm.
You get a beating. Your behavior upon the road was different because when you see big people are coming, you have to pull up your socks. It no matter whether they're related to you or not. Big people was big people. And until you meet that category, you have to behave like a child.
So we don't see it in a pandemic chop where parents are complaining. Oh, you are school fee but me can't manage and I feel them fitness. Eh? What did I be bad? What?
Yes, man. If I have to send them back, then one.
I think that.
I remember one of the simplest things what we used to look at, and people never think of this. Is that even when you're there, and your father used to get that them dinner in a 2 plate, meat in a one, food in a one. And as a boy, it used to be your dream when you get up. When you grow up, you get your own house and get your own wife. So you can get your dinner share in a 2 plate. So. Alright, a simple sign of discipline was that when dinner cook the chicken leg for your father. You as a boy can't get chicken leg. Right. them sound simple, you know.
They make it with space though.
Yes.
That's a boy. Man different from boy.
Man different from boy, exactly.
Yeah.
Them a woman are gonna make you know nowadays say yo 2 year father used to live so you can't live so.
But you have you cannot, you had one of the problem, you know, is that even the man in the community, you have to check here, you know. You understand me? You couldn't do certain things in front of the man. I met that like the step of them, the road boy there. Them see you smoke and pick up certain things, you know. Them check here, you know. Right? And you can't go complain to your father or your mother because your father knows that it's a gym on the corner, this gym now violate me as a father, you know. So I'm some fuckery you know. You know that, you know.
When I grew up, I grew up with elder and now give no gun and run. If they ever come on and see them with it, then say, boy, move up.
Move up. Sorry, I got you.
Yeah, man. I say we lost certain morals in our spoiled by in our society. You understand? Because remember when we go to school, it's like there should be a required age to be a teacher. You should have to be like 30 and over. You have to be a mature certain individual. If you notice them a young teacher nowadays, them then you can leave school at 16, you know, or 17, you know, go to college. By the time you're 21 or 22, you can become an actual qualified teacher, you know. That's still a child to me, you know. When they are 21, they're not fully developed, you know. So how we about their teacher pick them? You think they're ready?
I'm forgetting experience, you know. It's just that this a generation a 22-year-old and the generation before.
They're not ready to judge. I tell you.
Your new millennium are pitting them a born in a 2000. And I know they're weird effort, bro.
They're not ready, bro.
Well, yeah, we talk about chopping the line. What them are doing to skip the line?
Yeah.
I yesterday met somebody who said them a labor right were argue with me over scamming. I never see it.
Wait.
Yesterday somebody that comment in the comment section when me I say anybody was scam, whether they use the money for good or bad, I still thief and thief.
Oh.
I still thief and thief money.
Yeah, man.
Do John. Well, you see the road cars, road boy. So the road cars. You see when in the 90s, the early 90s, so we introduced cable TV without restrictions. BET, VH1, HBO, MTV. You see that, brother, And then it's when the proliferation of the internet without censorship. Because when you look on the Arab countries, them right, Dubai, them Saudi Arabia, these countries are technologically advanced. You know, these people are educated in the like 98% literacy rate. You know, right? So them not lack information, them not lack advancement. But what them have is censorship. Jamaica, we not have no censorship, brother. So we have all type of nastiness and wrongs for in our community. So it's like say, alright, just like say, you take one bad pitney, you know, and you move it from Rima and carry go Tivoli, and carry go jungle. You understand me? That's all you do. So we have to have a level of censorship. Yeah, well, if you have a level of so you can't have a society like Jamaica that is broken and open and bad. You understand me? And gravitate towards fuckery.
When I look for
And give them unrestricted access to internet and technology.
The Chinese then restrict access to internet and restrict cable and then pick them a rig close by the time them afford. And I don't matter.
But guys, you said something when me trying to last. Me said this last night, you know. I say it again. I want to tell them if we ever think about it. All the while we speak about the financial devastation when we got in the 90s. We speak of things that we carried that into the 90s. But the financial sector of the 90s was not the only thing that was devastated under the PNP leadership, you know. We also had an education system that was devastated under them time, but you know, when you look at it, you know, we lose our technical schools. Who remember that we used to have one exam when you technical entrance? When you miss common entrance, just take the technical entrance to get into a technical school.
You never know
That
about
before my time.
Technical entrance exam. That was a victim of the 90s. Most of our technical schools was a victim of the 90s. And you're right.
Nobody need to learn no trade again.
No, yeah. Yeah, Bunkus, when you say when the technology was Japan, Jamaica, one of the things where the PNB they love to celebrate, it came without restriction. There was no restriction on it. I know if you try to restrict it now, we are going to hear say you're
a dictator.
Yeah.
Yes, we never done Australia is what they sign off on. When no child can use social media.
Oh yeah. Until you're 16 or so.
16 or over, yeah, I think.
Yes. Right. If you try to go your whole government wicked. The government what they put in a rule so we wear a seatbelt and yes, then wicked. They put in a rule so you have to have a car seat to keep the picking them safe.
I understand how the people in Likud get that, straight to God. They have no sense of safety and care. Not at all. People say that wrong, can't work.
I gotta get one pit in your car and no car seat, you're not a fret. I find where you get your might as
If you find where you get, you're gonna lose all your license too.
Exactly. I just Jamaica alone, we don't want to observe and we don't want to follow no
lawless society, virgin.
Now when it's convenient too, we can kill too people who are free. I saw Jamaica
because of your friend or your star. So you know, I not kill nobody important.
You ever see when an entertainer in a fuckery, you always get the benefit of the doubt, you know. Because when you sing song, you well known. When there's a regular man do the same crime, they say hang him by him balls. You see me? Roll out everything against him, jungle justice. No, sir. The society gone.
Yeah, but classic chance for follow.
You know, hear me?
Yeah, we hear you.
Busha, I ask the panel a question, see? Them say Andrew a dictator and him want control what you on internet and this and that, right? Now, remember, you know, the countries like England, US, for them say free speech and all them something there. Can you tell me how much people in Jamaica we know get locked up? They say shit on the internet.
Nobody. That's my answer. We don't know of none.
All right. How much people you think in 2023 or 2022 get locked up for say shit? But especially the government. In England, in 2022, 2023. Just take a guess. 3,600.
But
It's people love to talk about Android. Hold on, no? People love to talk about Android dictator. Them not understand say the great United States and Great Britain. The amount of dictator type laws and regime where them have. It's unprecedented. Believe me. We live in the Netherlands and trust me, you know have the free speech like what you have in Jamaica. I tell you, there's certain things they cannot do.
Especially if you see that woman there what they disappear, man, and chat off him out. You think say nobody can post a picture over here with themselves like that for no social media platform. I disrespect no higher up over here. You must be mad.
Canada represents the class one of the hardest anti what we call it discrimination law on the internet. You cannot on the internet and speak no shit about the Canadian. But let's say I really come on internet. Not chat half him out about Jamaican. Tell him to say about Justin Trudeau over there. Here,
They can say in the confinement and their own house without not being on a camera, but not something we're going on public.
On the camera and say anything bad about Justin Trudeau and say they're not going to hard him out time house and throw him in a prison. Right? But I enjoy the dictator.
I truck a man say a simple, you see, he's a man, one man say something cause the right over here, what they, you know, we see, you know. And he must come out and say something, we instigate something, you know, a workhouse in God's feet, you know.
All right.
Oh.
But so Kirsten Gardner, those Marky G and Matilda get the millions. Yes, them get the millions. And yes, we have to find a way to investigate them. I agree totally. But another thing that is happening, people, and it is now a proven fact that is happening, that Marky G and him friend them is instructing the people them at the municipalities that is controlled by the PMP not to spend any money. Not to spend any money to do any project in a municipality. None of them. Right? Because they're not do nothing to make government look good.
One, them a hoard the money for fight the election, and two, if they not do nothing, the people that we think say the government. You know what I'm saying? When we win the election next year, me a charge all of us bloggers, we must set out on a mission to educate the masses of Jamaica as to why, as to how local government operate as opposed to how central government operate. We need to educate the people, make them know the difference. What is the difference between local government and central government? We have to do that, guys. We must do that. This is a government job still, but we can lead the charge. See?
That is true. I totally agree with that. Yeah, man. There's a lot of people are disconnected between who feel do what. Right? That's why now you have even me as come out and tell government say we do this for my job. We have people run for council who don't know them job description. Right? So we have to go try get the message out there, man. We have to try to get it out there. Betty, good morning.
Good morning, Betty. We here from Anne-Marie. From Anne-Marie, come Anne-Marie me out Anne-Marie no say nothing. Go ahead, Anne-Marie. Unmute yourself, Anne-Marie. Anne-Marie not ready. We go to Jamaica 876. And then we go to Jason.
Yes. True, you talk when you say the mayor them and the councillor them hold back because rest